touched it before.
Yeah.
And then it's taking a bath in its water. Athena, get out!
Should I put it on?
That's how you get things done at night.
I just left Lucas in surgery. He's critical. It's very touch and go at this point.
They like you, Stevie.
I thought Dad was coming.
He's supposed to be.
Yeah, okay. We still have a gun for a talk.
Why the hell you wanna play me that way? You're bad, babe. You double-faced entendre like goes on and 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 on. Why the hell you wanna play me that way? You're bad, babe. You double-faced entendre like goes.
You and me, S-M-I-L-E, every day. You and me, we're still smiling every day. There's really no other way. Whoa, dudes, that was radical!
Actually, Kickin' Chicken, radical isn't a word.
I got to hug so many new friends, except for Katna.
Speaking of which, where is that sleepy kitty?
Oh well, maybe next song.